In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export contacts from Kartra. Exporting a clean contact list lets you back up your data, analyze it in a spreadsheet, or move it to another platform, and the process only takes a minute. Start on your Kartra dashboard. Once you're in, look to the left-hand sidebar and choose Contacts. That opens the area where all of your leads and customers live, and it's the best place to manage them in bulk. Next, go into All Contacts to see the full list in one place. This view is helpful because it's the broadest look at your database. If you have a large list and only want a segment, use the search box or on-screen filters first, so you export exactly what you need and nothing extra. Now select who you want to export. Tick the checkbox beside each contact you want included. If you're exporting everything that's currently visible, use the checkbox at the top of the list to select the displayed contacts in one click. Take a second to confirm your selection looks right. Exported files reflect exactly what you've checked here, so a quick review helps avoid duplicates or missing records. With your contacts selected, click the export icon. You'll find it above the list alongside other bulk action controls. The moment you click, Kartra prepares a downloadable file of your selected contacts, typically in a spreadsheet-friendly format that opens in tools like Excel or Google Sheets. You'll see a notice that your file is being generated. This can take a little longer if you selected a large number of contacts. Keep the tab open while it processes. When it's ready, the download will begin, or you'll get a prompt to save the file. If your browser blocks automatic downloads, allow the download and choose a folder you'll remember so you can locate the file later. That's the entire process. Open Contacts from the dashboard, switch to All Contacts, choose the records you need with the checkboxes and hit Export. Follow these steps anytime you want a fresh snapshot of your audience, and you'll always have your data ready for safekeeping or analysis.